Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's an honor to be presenter in this International Conference of Mathematics and Mathematics Education, I-CMME 2021. I am Nita Ardianti as a first author from Postgraduate of Mathematics Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, Universitas Sebelas, Maret. This paper title is STEM, How is the Student Mathematical Communication, and this is why my research has been looked up. The growth of the time today in development of technology and science demands something new in education. STEM education is seen as an essential means of raising informed citizens will benefit from national, regional, and local policy decisions. STEM is learning that integrates two or more disciplines. STEM-based education is interdisciplinary field that connects four disciplines: science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. The reason of the importance of mathematical communication is learning. Track the communication of mathematical ideas that can be formed from various perspectives. B. Can serve the way of thinking to increase the ability to see the relationship between mathematical content. C. Can measure various mathematical understanding. D. Organize thinking process. E. Construct knowledge in learning mathematics, develop problem-solving, improve reasoning, foster self-confidence, and improve social skills. And F. Develop critical, rational thinking and social skills through writing and talking. The study aims to reveal how to categorize of student communication in solving STEM problems. This research needs to be conducted because the research process aims to find out mathematical communication in solving STEM problems. Research type describe qualitative method. Research subject 20 students from class 9 of State Junior High School to Belitang III. Instrument. The first test for student mathematical communication on a two-variable linear equation system. The second, an interview guide to confirm the result of student work. Data collect method. The first, data reduction. The second, data presentation. And the last, conclusion drawing. Result and discussion. Based on the result of the test given to students, the author described data from one subject based on category following mathematical communication abilities. There are three categories of student communication in solve STEM problem. The data expert is present of flow. The first category, symbolic communication. This figure one of the results of student answer in the symbolic communication category. Based on the result of the answer sheet in the interview, students solve the problem given in determining the form of a system or linear equation of two variables based on real situation or object in mathematical form by using mathematical language or symbol. Students can state the situation given in language and mathematical because the first understand the question given to write down information about what is known to be used as an example. Thus, study can create a system of equations based on the example mode. This is line with the statement, students can express natural object, situation, or everybody event in the form of mathematical model wells. The study ability to analyze and write mathematical symbols is in the high category, and the success of students in converting mathematical problems become mathematical model. The second category, visual communication. This figure One of the results students answered in the visual category. Based on the answer sheet and the result of interview, students have not visualized the image well. The graph might be the student coordinate point are inconsistent, so the it making graph. They do not get the complete set in form on exact cut point. However, indirectly, students can visualize the given situation in solving the given problem in the form of a graph, by determining the coordinate point marked on the x and y coordinate x that the graph bears. This is what makes students not fully able to visualize the station give the problem is reflecting in the graph form. They can only apply some information to the graph and describe problem situation in the geometric form. The last category, communication. Based on the answer sheet and result of the interview, students answer a problem of an image or model in the form of mathematics using their language so that they were able to solve it by obtaining the correct conclusion. Study can interpret the step in solve problem to answer the amount of chicken meat given by Scambira Locazo, official for a tiger and a lion using the substation method correctly. That related to what is the desired in the question using their language brief. This is relevant to statement what students can write answer using their language and contain them through. The strategy of solving a problem used in coherent and systematic. This is based on the fact that study will have get solved confident can convey mathematical idea there in writing or aloud, so that in solving some problem, they can choose the correct method to use. Conclusion. To sum up, this research concludes that there are three categories of student communication in self-steps problem. First, student is the symbolic communication category have the characteristic of student being able to state a real situation or object given in language or mathematical symbol. Second, student is the visual communication category have the characteristic of student being able to express the situation of mathematics either in picture, graph, table, or other form. Third, the text communication category has the characteristic of student express situation, picture, or natural form into language or mathematical symbol. That's all my presentation. Thank you very much for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.